channel. So as you can see, I am finally about to go back to my curly hair. I haven't done anything to my hair at all since it's been straight, besides like combing it and moisturizing it every few days. But yeah, if you want to see me go from straight to curly, then just keep on watching. So first, I just want to start off by thoroughly detangling my hair. Like I said, it had been a few days since I had done anything to it, so I just want to go ahead and get the tangles out that are already in it. So next I wet my hair under the sink, towel dried it, and started putting on the Olaplex 3. So this is my hair after applying the Olaplex all over my hair, and as you can see, my curls are already starting to come back, and I left it on for about 30 minutes, and then this is after I rinsed all the Olaplex out, and I'm just wetting my hair and putting on the Camille Rose Moisture Milk and then detangling my hair. So after detangling my hair, I just took a small section, wet my hair back up, and then I put some of the Kinky Curly leave-in in it, and then I went in with the Lotta Body foam and also the Extreme Wet Line gel, and then I shingled my hair because I feel like I get the best results when I do. did use some edge control on my edges off camera, and I just put a satin scarf on them and slept with a satin bonnet. And this is me the next morning. Please excuse how I'm looking because it's really early, but as you can see, my curls look nice and defined, and I didn't get any heat damage, thank God. Let me know what you think of the results in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.